Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by getting the tools and starting the removal immediately. Spray the film generously with soapy water. This lubricates and prevents scratches. Heat the corner with a hair dryer until the adhesive softens, then slide a razor under the lifted edge, slow and shallow to avoid glass gouging. Once you have a firm corner tab, pinch and hold it. This is how you control the film. Make sure to keep the glass wet so the film peels rather than tears. You now peel in a slow, continuous motion, low angle, steady pull, to separate adhesive evenly. If the film stretches or tears, stop and reapply heat to resoften the glue. This prevents residue. Keep spraying soapy water onto the exposed glass as you go so leftover adhesive lifts into solution. Once large sections are off, fold film onto itself sticky side in to manage it. Make sure to discard film carefully. It's messy and can re-stick if left flapping. You finish by tackling adhesive residue left on the glass. Spray a degreasing mix of dish soap and water, then use a plastic scraper or razor at very shallow angle to lift softened glue. Once most is gone, wipe thoroughly with a microfiber cloth and rinse with clean water to remove streaks. If some residue resists, reheat the spot briefly, spray again, and repeat scraping. Patience here prevents scratches. Finally, inspect from multiple angles and re-clean any missed streaks until the pane looks clear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.